Hey guys, it's time for my monthly wellness box unboxing. If you're new here, hi, I'm Adrienne with Mom Life with Adrienne. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3 from Northern Ohio. I share everyday mom life from grocery hauls, unboxing of the wellness products, cleaning, reviews, and more. But let's dive in. If you're unfamiliar with the wellness box, it is a monthly subscription personalized to what you need. So the other month I needed laundry soap, this month I needed protein. But let's just jump in. Everything is American made, non-toxic. The makeup has European standards. And so far, most of the stuff I have loved, but you're never really gonna go to a store and love everything. There has been one thing that I'm just not a fan of, so I just get it somewhere else. But this has saved our family so much money by buying things that are more concentrated, so you save money in that aspect, but also not having to run out to Target. And who doesn't go to Target and spend at least $200 on who knows what, because things just magically jump into your Target cart. But here we go. Let's see. Poppy thingies for my kids. As I said, we needed protein. So I want to make something that needs vanilla protein, so I had to get vanilla protein. But my go-to is chocolate protein, and these are 15 servings per bag and 30 grams of protein. So a good amount of protein in those. I also love their electrolytes. I got blueberry pomegranate, which that one's my favorite, but I like switching it up with the raspberry lemonade as well. My probiotic that I take every day. I notice I will get some tummy issues if I do not take it. There has been times where I have not taken it and I really notice. I also grabbed, they just came out with an iron supplement, and that was something that my doctor recommended that I need. So I grabbed some iron. The kids needed some more shampoo. I needed more Tough and Tender, which is their just multi-cleaner. I use it every day with cleaning things, and it's concentrated. So this bottle makes 6. So you can't beat the price of that. So we are loving their dish soap. Compared to Dawn, you don't really realize how many chemicals are in them, because think Dawn is used for cleaning oil spills with ducks. It sounds horrible to be putting that on your dishes, but their dish soap does great at also cutting the grease and everything else. Got a new face wash to try. This is their Deep Moisture Oil Cleanser. And I like this one because it was a pump compared to a squeeze bottle. So we're gonna try that one. I'm almost out of this one's blue. Their other one is their pink one. And then I got, everybody's just raving about their lip treatment. So I had to grab some of that. So really this month, a smaller haul, just essentials that we needed. And I'm just so excited to try this. Ooh. It feels so moisturizing. I can see this is going to be a new favorite. But there you go. If you are interested in more information on the wellness box, drop a comment or I'll put the link below where we can talk and get more into it.